YouTubers, come on with me. We're going to make a family of wooden bears. Well, these blocks are about 1 inch. I want about 1/2 inch. Completed the feet. Now I'm going to work on the ears. Now we got to make a little nose for the bear. So now in order to put 2 round discs together, I'm going to need to brace them up somehow. So I'm just going to cut to add a little brace to the back of my bears. Okay, now I'm going to put the spine, for lack of a better word, on the back of my bears. So now instead of having 3 bears all over the place, I'm going to combine the mama bear and the baby bear together. All right, now we're going to decorate the bears up. And she needs a Christmas hat too. Well, this project was a lot of fun to do, putting this bear family together. If you guys liked what you've seen, give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, have a good day. Cheers.